Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve sequel problem, that is second highest salary, and the problem number is 176 on lead code. So we have given a employee table and the columns are ID and salary. ID is the primary key. So let's see the problem. Write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, we will return null. And let's see the example. And so we have an input ID and salary. ID is a 1, 2, 3. Salary is 100, 200, 300. So basically, we will order this table by salary and we will apply the limit clause here for getting just one record. So we will get the 200. And let's see the another input. We have basically one record, one, and salary is 100. So here is only one record, so there is a no second highest salary. In this case we will return null. Let's jump to write the code. Select distinct salary from employee table and we will order by salary column and in descending order. We will apply the limit clause for getting just one record. Limit 1 offset 1. Offset value is basically is hidden, but we are writing offset 1 here. There is another condition. If there is no second highest salary, we have to return null. So for this we will use subquery. Now let's So for this we have a function if null. If null, we apply on the inner query. If there is no second highest salary, it will return null and we will alias as second highest salary. Let's run the query. There is a runtime error. Let's see what is wrong here. So basically, select if null, select distinct salary from employee. Okay, so we forgot to open our round bracket. Now the bracket is closed and this bracket is closed there. Okay. Yeah, it is accepted for case 1 and case 2. In case 1, we will get the output 200 because 200 is the second highest salary. And let's check in case 2. So in case 2, there is only one record. There is no second highest salary. In this case, the output is null. Okay. Let's submit. Yeah, it is accepted for every test cases. 10 by 10 are passed. And the runtime took 555 milliseconds. Okay, guys, thank you.